Greetings to you all. Welcome to Mesmerizing Honey Drops, an anthology composed by contemporary creative writers. Mesmerizing Honey Drops is the third anthology of the Creative Writers WhatsApp group. To tell a few words about the group, it all started in the year 2015 in the name of Crazy English Teachers Group. Later, its aerial route landed as Creative Writers. From that time, each poet composes their own poems daily on the given topic and given background. Everyone is free to review, appreciate, encourage, motivate, inspire fellow poets. In this book, Mesmerizing Honey Drops, 90 poets have contributed poems. Each of them has contributed 2 poems along with their bioline and photo. Foreword is written by 2 eminent personalities. All the poets are given e-certificate in the group. This group will be active and very much vibrant in the evenings. Most of the contributors are teachers from Tamil Nadu. Some of them are from other parts of India and around the globe. Our first anthology is Cascade of Poetry. Second one is Rainbow of Verses. And this is the third one, Mesmerizing Honey Drops. Each poet is overwhelmed with happiness and having their book in their hand. They cherish as if it is like their own baby. Hearty thanks to all the contributors, members of the group, editors, and publishers, Words Brew.
Mesmerizing honey drops. Real drops of honey from honeycomb penners from creative writers. Marvelous write ups from their core heart. Hearty thanks to our captain of the ship, Mrs. Brinda Srinivas, for her tireless hard work in framing out our fourth anthology. It's highly mesmerizing to feel that I have become a writer. It's highly impossible without you, ma'am. You are our boon. You make it happen again and again that our dream to publish our writing or get into the sweethearts of the readers. We writers have become eternal as we live with our writing forever and ever. My joy is boundless to hold our mesmerizing honey drops book in my hands. Tears roll down to visualize your continuous miracles, ma'am. Of course, ours too. You are a wonderful person, ma'am. Hearty thanks to our dear man of astonishing dictions, Mr. Kumaran sir, for his inspiration to hunt for rare and fantabulous dictions. Hearty wishes for my co-writers for their stunning, artful verses. From a drop of honey, from mesmerizing honey drops, from Creative Writers Group. Kavita, thank you.
Good evening, friends. This is Nirmala Nagarajan from Gobichittipalayam. It's been such a wonderful experience being a part of this creative writers group. I am ever grateful to our admins Brenda ma'am and Kumaran sir for guiding every budding creative writer, helping us climb this ladder successfully. They have been guiding us throughout and encouraging us for our betterment and building in us the confidence and making us write poems every day. It's Mrs. Uma Devi who introduced me to this group, to whom I'm ever indebted. The bond that we have developed with CW Group is something so special, and we have got a number of friends these days and ever proud for being associated with each other. I feel so elated to be a part of the anthology Mesmerizing Honey Drops. This is my second anthology, and the writers have given their best, and this anthology has come out really well. I wish and I hope my journey with this team would continue in the years to come. And I wish all the writers real success and hope all of us would publish our books very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Greetings to all. I am Shanmu Priya from Creative Writers Group. I would like to share a few words about the anthology Mesmerizing Honey Drops. This anthology is created by a bunch of beautiful flowers from Creative Writers Group. Our group admin, Mrs. D. Brinda, played the role of the queen bee in collecting the nectar from the flowers. Creative Writers Group is a beehive of active bees writing poems as sweet as honey. Once you taste the sweet of honey, you want more of that. Once you open a page of it, you won't stop reading it. Don't miss to taste the honey drops. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Deepa from Arakonam Girls Higher Secondary School. Now I am going to mesmerize you by the droplets of honey like poems. In our mesmerizing honey drops, bees like poets worked hard without any stress or strain. They sucked the essence from their imagination and collected in the hive of creative writers. Our queen bee, Mrs. Brinda ma'am, with her executive Mr. Kumaran sir, created an anthology called Mesmerizing Honey Drops. Has a famous quote, "Little drops make the mighty ocean, little drops of poem makes our anthology in this season." As a reader, I can say, taste the drops of poems which will definitely mesmerize you to write lot of poems. I wish Brinda ma'am and her team to flourish more in their future. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi and hello to everyone. I feel gratitude to be in the Creative Writers Group where my talent exposed well through poems. Our mesmerizing honey drops is a big gift for me to share my own thoughts and minds. This is the golden opportunity for me because this is the first time in my life my poem was published in the book with the help of Brinda ma'am. Hope we are thankful and blessed and we are in the happiness of the ultimate level. And surely I will contribute my poems in upcoming books. Thank you so much for everyone who helped us and support us to write well and good one. Once again, I thank you Brinda ma'am with lot of bundles of love and Valga Valamudan. Thank you so much ma'am.
A blissful and jubilant day, everyone. I am Dr. P. Mahadevan, Assistant Professor of English, Krishnaswamy College of Education for Women, Manapattu, Pondicherry. A few words about the Creative Writers Group. I was included as a member in this group, Creative Writers Group, last year by Mrs. D. Brinda ma'am, the admin of this group. I felt lucky and fortunate to be a member of this group and wrote some poems for nearly 3 months daily on the given topic. And to be frank, I am a novice in writing poems and improved my poetry writing skill, inspired by the poems of other writers and the encouragement given by them, including Mrs. Brinda ma'am. I am glad the glory of this Creative Writers Group has reached the nook and corner of Tamil Nadu thanks to the meticulous efforts of the admins, Mrs. Brinda ma'am, Mr. Kumaran sir, and other prominent poets in this group, so many in numbers, not to mention their names, please. All the writers in this group possess the attributes of great writers like clarity in thoughts, using strong vocabulary, and being open to changes. The writers in this group vent out their feelings and emotions like joy, sorrow, love, hatred in poetic form in different genres. Their poems make us forget ourselves and involve us in their work of art. The success of this group lies in the cooperation and coordination of the members in bringing out the publication of the 4th anthology of poems, 3 already having been published. I do believe the vision and mission of this group envisaged by the admins Mrs. D. Brinda ma'am and Mr. Kumaran sir and other poets will be achieved shortly.
Hello everyone. Mesmerizing Honey Drops, our third anthology, is created by our creative writers group. Our lockdown period is blessed by God through this active group. That's true. Every day, new friends are introduced by senior members of the group. I am also one such person introduced by my senior poetess, Mrs. Jayanti. Each day, we are happy to think over a new topic sent by our admin ma'am. The spontaneous overflow of powerful thoughts expressed in the given background. Everyone is ready to comment every poem. Some interesting budding poets enthusiastically participating in the group. Evening 7 to 11, they are very busy on reading and commenting and discussing every poets and poetic lines in the group. It is a miracle to see a lot of budding poets. God bless our CW group.
Namaskar. I am very happy to receive this anthology, and this is edited by my friend Dr. D. Brinda Srinivasanji. She is from Pondicherry, and it gives me immense pleasure that she has given me an opportunity to write for this special anthology, and this is the second anthology which she has edited. And there are almost 85 members are there, 85 creative writers are there, and they have written poetry on everyday basis. And the main motivator for all of them are D. Brinda Srinivasanji. She motivated all of us to write poetry on daily basis. And all the members, all the creative writers, means 85 creative writers of this anthology are teaching faculty of English in Tamil Nadu. Especially they are teaching faculty, and all of them are from Tamil Nadu. And I'm not from Tamil Nadu, I'm from Delhi, and she motivated me to write. I'm not teaching faculty, but did my PhD in English, and she motivated me to write poetry. And again, I am very thankful to her. Thank you, D. Brinda Srinivasanji.